Abu Umama Suday ibn Ajlan al-Bahili, may Allah be pleased with him, reported the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the person nearest to Allah is the one who is the first to offer the greeting. Abu Dawood. The narration in At-Tirmidhi is the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, O Messenger of Allah, when two persons meet, who should greet the other first? The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the person nearest to Allah, that is, one who is more obedient and therefore closer to Allah, will say As-Salam first. Commentary.
So somebody walking, no, the commentary is not here. Somebody walking who is old met somebody who's walking who is old, same age. There's no preference here. Who's going to say the salam is the one who was more obedient. He was like Abdullah ibn Umar, he said, start the salam, more obedient. Okay, more walking. Both of them are the same equal. Said both of them. The one who starts salam is the one more obedient because he's keen to say salamu alaikum to the other person and take the hasanat as well. Take his own hasanat by saying the salam and also taking a duplicate hasanat from the reply of that person. Also shows us as well that Islam is keen to spread the salam in any way or shape or form. Also that the best of the two, if they, let's say they are boycotting each other, and if they meet one another, the best of them who starts the salam to break the ice and take out this so-called boycotting away from the window. طيب.